Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can boost your FPS on Euro Truck Simulator 2, how you can fix FPS drops, lagging, stuttering and freezing as well. And the best part of it, you don't need to download any FPS packs. I will show you what you need to change in your settings in order to get best results. So first of all, we'll go with Windows settings, and then we'll go in game and I will show you what you need to change there. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I always suggest you to do here is to go to settings, and on settings, make sure that your Windows update is up to date, and then your GPU as well, depending on what you're using. Go to your GPU app, go to drivers and install latest drivers if there is a available new one, right? Then before you play the game, open up Task Manager, then go select CPU or GPU heavy tasks, and then end all the tasks that you don't use and won't break your computer. Also help with your performance. Then open up startup apps and disable basically everything that you have here, because when you start up a computer, these apps all start up as well, and it will use a lot of your computer resources. So just disable them basically all, and then if you need them, just click it manually, right? And then if you use, for example, Discord while you play the game, maybe you chat with your friends on Discord, make sure to go to advanced and then make sure hardware acceleration is disabled as well. Same thing with Google Chrome. I believe this also on Google Chrome as well. You need to change, disable that as well on your browser. It will always also help. Then the next step, if you're using Nvidia GPU, you just need to right click on your monitor, show more options, then go to Nvidia control panel. Here you need to change few things. First of all, make sure that change resolution, maximum amount of hertz is selected, and your native resolution is selected as well. Then go to configure surround and 5x. Make sure processor, under the processor is your GPU is selected. Then go to manage 3D settings, and then you need to change the settings here. First of all, make sure low latency and max frame rate is off. Then select a monitor technology, make sure fixed refresh or G-Sync compatible. Then open GDI compatibility, make sure performance, open GL rendering GPU, make sure it's your dedicated GPU. Then power management mode, make sure it's prefer maximum performance, prefer to refresh rate highest available, shader cache is 100 gigabytes, texture filtering on the subtraffic sample on, texture filtering quality, make sure high performance. If you're on low end PC, if you have higher end GPU, for example, you can use, as you can see here, there is some options. You can use performance or high quality if you have basically good GPU, but I like to have be on high performance. Then trilinear optimization on with threaded optimization as well. VSync is always off unless you have a screen tearing, and then virtual reality pre-rendered frames is on too. And then apply the changes, and we can go more. Go to settings, then go to a game bar, make sure game bar is disabled. Then go back, game mode, make sure game mode is enabled here. Then go to services. On services, click on one of the tasks here and press S until you see sysmain. Right click on it, stop it, right click again, properties, and then startup type, make sure is disabled. Then you need to open up Steam. Open up Steam, then find Euro Truck Simulator, right click on it, go to properties, then go to installed files and browse. And then here you need to look for bin folder, Win64, Eurotrucks2.exe, right click on it, show more options, properties, compatibility, disable full screen optimizations, and then change high DPI settings. Press on that, then select high DPI scaling override, select this option, select application, apply, okay. Then copy the path of the exe file here. Then you can close this. Go to graphic settings. On graphic settings, you need to go to advanced graphic settings and make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is enabled. Then select add a desktop app, paste the path that we just copied here, select the exe file, press add, and then find that particular exe file on this list. As you can see here, this one, expand this option, GPU preference, make sure it's high performance, and also optimization for windowed games is selected. And after that, close this window, go and search, right, edit power plan, then go to power options, select ultimate performance. If ultimate performance is not available, select high performance here. Next thing what you need to do here, you need to just write on search, view advanced system settings. Then on this window here, select advanced, and under performance, select settings. Then select visual effects, select custom, and make sure these three options are selected: smooth edges, show thumbnails, and save taskbar. And then go to advanced, then go to virtual memory and select change. Deselect this option here, select the disk where you got your game installed, select custom size, and then we need to calculate a few things. Don't worry, super easy. First of all, go to system information, and then you need to look how much RAM do you have on your machine. So for me, as you can see here, installed physical memory, 16 gigabytes. So you need to pull out your calculator and then put value of RAM that you have on your computer. In my case, it's 16, for you can be 4, 8, 16, 32, it's up to you, up to your machine. Then you need to duplicate this number by 1024, and the number that you get, you need to duplicate by 1.5, right? And the number that you get here, you need to put the initial size right here. And then other thing that you need to do here with the maximum size, delete this, put your RAM value again, times 1024 times 3. And the number that you get here, you need to put the maximum size. Then you can close this after you save it. Then just press Windows and I key, or simply on search write run. Then write %10%, and then delete all the temporary files that is here. Then go to a storage settings, and on storage settings here, go to installed temporary files, and then delete all the files here except downloads folder and recycle bin. If you don't want that from recycle bin, your file should be deleted, right? Then the next step, what we need to do here is to run the game, open up Task Manager, and once you open up Task Manager, you need to look for Euro Truck. Now I'm not running the game, so I will show you with Steam, but it will be literally the same. Just right click on Euro Truck, go to details, then you find Euro Truck exe, right click on it, set priority, and then set it to high. And after that, we need to go to in-game settings. I will show you best settings there. And in-game settings, I will show you what you need to change here. So first of all, make sure full screen mode is selected, then make sure resolution is your native one, refresh rate, make sure that it matches with your monitors, then VSync, make sure it's disabled, then FPS limit also match with your monitors, right? And then FPS limit in the background, really doesn't matter, can be 30. Then scaling, make sure 50%, anti-aliasing is disabled, texture quality, try high because it's more enjoyable to play, but if you're getting FPS drop stutters, try to medium, right? But first try high. Then reflection scaling, 100%, reflection detail low, and then mirror quality, mirror resolution, and mirror distance is medium as well. Shadow quality, it really doesn't matter, make it low. Far shadows you can enable or disable. For best FPS, I will disable it, but for game enjoyability, I will leave this right here. Then screen space ambient exclusion, make sure it's low. Light visibility ranges is low, and then select these two options. And then also here, you can disable these options or enable it. I will disable. And then vegetation detail low, grass density low, weather quality medium, and turn on pedestrians, and apply the changes. And that's basically it. So yeah, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.